Hi guys, today I will explain you what is rotary position embedding and how it's different from the traditional positional encoding. In the traditional PE, we have our original vector or input vector and we are adding here our PE. In this way, we will get a new vector which is third vector. So somewhere we are trying to pollute our original values here. But in the case of rotary position embedding, we are just changing the angle of our vector. If this is our original vector, we are just changing the angle here from here to here. The magnitude of our vector will remain same. In order to rotate the vectors, we are using here rotational matrix, and this is our weight matrix. We will apply it on our input vectors. In this way we will get the query and key vectors. Here we will use the pair of vectors to rotate or in order to apply the rope. So this is our x1 and x2 is our key or query vector, and we will get a new vector x1 dash and x2 dash. So let me explain you how it's working. After applying the equation, we will get this x1 dash and x2 dash. So let's assume our sequence length is 5 and model dimension is 256. Sequence length means number of words in our sentence. Like my name is Vikas Sharma, so there are 5 words. So sequence length is 5. So model dimension we can assume according to our requirement or our model. So size of this x is 5,256, and this is our weight matrix for query and key. And if we will apply the matrix multiplication here, we will get the query and key vector, and we will divide into two half for even dimension and odd dimension, like x1 and x2, x1 and x2. Here same thing is here, and this is our theta, which is frequency. This is our theta, and POS is our position, which is m here. After that we will multiply m and theta. This is our angle, and after that we will apply this function. This is the same function x1 and x1 dash and x2 dash, and in this way we will get the x1 dash and x2 dash, and which is t1 new and t2 new here, and after that we will concatenate it, and in this way we will get positional encoded query or key values. So if I will apply this, then we will get a new key and query which is positionally encoded, and after that we will use key and query vector for our attention mechanism, and all the process of the attention remains same. So this is only the thing we are I'm trying to describe you how the rope is working, and there are some advantages of using the rope instead of traditional PE. There is no any addition, which I already described. We are not adding a new vector here, and in this way we can increase our context length like 4K, 8K, 32K, or even up to 1 million, and it is quite efficient and no any complex multiplications are there. We are just using sine and cosine functions here. This is the one of the most advanced PE right now, and most of the state of the art new models are using the rope instead of traditional PE. So this is all about the rope. If you have any doubt or confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you guys.